So ideally for students, which 3D printing do you recommend? Like I'm sure with a small model and to
Yeah,
experiment early
I
on with.
think because we are now speaking of students who are jewelry designers.
Yeah.
For you, Form 3 or Rapid Shape, whatever we get output, that would be best because they're castable and they can also make portfolio using some of them. They can render one or two pieces they should have, and especially if they want to impress the employer, they can have their own innovative designs which have a movement and how it can be done. No need to do it in gold. They can do it in CAD and then we do it in brass, gold plate it, you know, and then you can set it with CZ or whatever. Don't have to worry if it is stolen. Uh, very less, investment. So they can have one or two like that in their portfolio, and even the sheer, capability they show from CAD to part, if they showcase it to their future employer, people would love it. Correct? No, people need ready-made people. Industries are waiting to take ready-made people who have an understanding of processes, beyond CAD. So that way, if they make the portfolio, I would definitely, we can help people in their portfolio how to make. I can always take a workshop on how to make a portfolio also. Portfolio is itself is a big subject by itself.
That's
Very
true.
creative. The way that is you. How can you sell yourself? How can you market yourself?
So even we faced with a lot of these queries where a lot of our jewelers they calculate based on wastage.
Yeah.
So they always ask कि हम CAD/CAM में 3% से कम में बना सकते हैं 4%. Normally they make it in 3, 4, 5%. Wastage.
Yeah.
So and they think traditionally people think is 3D printing is for small. As you rightly said, it's not just for small, but even for big jewelries and big products. So how do you want to explain that?
Well, if I remember how I used to make a ring, I will take a piece of ingot, I melt for example, it is a metal. I want to convert a kada to a ring. Okay, I will take a kada and melt the kada. After I melt it, I'll put it in an ingot casting, mold. I get an ingot. That ingot I used to give it to rolling machine and मैं पतला करता था. पतला बना के उसको थोड़ा दंडी बनाने के लिए we used to have heat it and then roll it and then make a flat plate like that. After that I used to draw it, drawing करके frit saw से cut करके, using a mandrel, ring mandrel, we used to beat it and make a dandi. Dandi के बाद we used to have a solder there. डंडी को क्लोज करता था. It used to be open. उसको क्लोज करता था. करने के बाद we used to have the transfer of design on the top of it. Then what I'll do, take file. I take a cylindrical file, a triangular file. I'll take a needle file. क्या करता हूँ, घिसता हूँ. This powder, what you have, is all going to fall. Of course, एक चमॉइस लेदर डाल के नीचे वो सब कलेक्ट करते हैं. वो है, we have toothbrush and all those different type of brushes we are going to have, and they're all collected and we are going to recycle them. That's a different thing. But जो भी ये डंडी से निकाला powder, they are the loss. Correct, no? But in 3D printing, what you are doing, you are directly doing the actual piece itself. This is called near net shape. Net shape क्या होता है? Net shape मतलब design which can be made almost like a design. Add भी नहीं करने का, निकालने का भी नहीं, addition भी नहीं. That means CAD में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? डंडी, फिनिश डंडी करते हैं, उसका डिजाइन करते हैं, उसका prongs करते हैं, है ना? So this is almost a net shape को आपको 3D print में मिल जाएगा. घिसने का जरूरत नहीं, soldering करने का जरूरत नहीं, है ना? So when you cast it in a tree, all I will use a clip. I can use a small cutting plier like thing I can snip it. Snipping में आपको zero wastage है. When you cut a wire, zero wastage है. But I take a thing, paper करता हूँ, filing करता हूँ, gold will go lost. आपका फाइल में गोल्ड चले जाते हैं, आपका पेपर जो एमरी पेपर होते हैं उसमें गोल्ड चले जाते हैं, हवा में चले जाते हैं, आपको बॉडी में चले जाते हैं. When it rises, so I keep telling my son, I may have a lot of gold inside my body. Why? Because I lived in Tanishq for 10 years and I would have, breed those. Of course, we have corporate, we have topi, we have all those things, precautions. But still, what is gone is unrecoverable loss. वो किधर भी नहीं जाते. We cannot recover it at all. It's lost forever. So, because in 3D printing, you're able to make a part near net shape. Near net shape means CAD जैसे 100% you can do the same thing in casting or 3D printing करके उसको cast कर सकते हैं. Then all you have to do is just cut it. Sprue को थोड़ा cut करने का. So वो sprue design भी बहुत सोच समझ के किया तो we can reduce the loss. But what we are saying, if you are 3D printing directly, loss is going to be 1%. But that will take a long time because right now they are very costly.